Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super straightforward tutorial for you. We're going to learn how to add a background image to your Tradingview chart. Whether you're looking to brand your chart, make it more visually appealing, or maybe just add a touch of personality, this guide will walk you through each step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to upload any image as a background and customize it so that your other chart elements, like indicators, stay perfectly visible. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Tradingview account. Just head over to Tradingview.com in your browser and sign in as you normally would. If you're new to Tradingview, go ahead and create an account. It's quick, and you'll need one to access the charting features. Once you're on the Tradingview main page, locate the Products section. You'll usually find this up near the top, or depending on your screen size, perhaps in a sidebar. Click on Products, and from the options, select Chart. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll see your usual trading workspace load up. Give it a second to load if it's your first time. Sometimes those charts need just a little moment. Look for the Tools menu. This is generally on the left-hand side of your screen. There you'll see a variety of icons for all the drawing and annotation tools you might want to use. Now find the Text tool. Its icon often looks like a simple T. Instead of clicking immediately, just move your mouse over it and pause for a moment. You'll notice a side arrow appears. This arrow gives you access to more text-related options. Go ahead and click that side arrow to open up a small submenu. From that submenu, you'll see an option labeled Image. This is the one we want. Click on Image. Tradingview will prompt you to select an image from your computer. Here, where you can get creative, maybe you want to use your business logo, a watermark, or even a subtle pattern to liven up your background. Just pick the image file you want and confirm the upload. Once your image appears on the chart, you'll probably notice that it sits over the top of your candlesticks and other indicators. Don't worry, you can move, resize, and easily position it. To resize, simply click the image. Small handles will appear around the edges. Click and drag these handles to adjust the size until it fits your chart just right. Take your time here. Depending on the resolution and proportions of your image, it might take a couple of tries to get it exactly how you want. One thing I highly recommend, once you've got the image sized and positioned, you may want to send it back. This simply means adjusting the image's layering so it sits behind your chart drawings and indicators. To do this, right-click on the image and you should see an option like Send to Back or Move Backward. Click that, and you'll notice your technical indicators and price action become clearly visible again, with your image acting as a subtle background. This keeps everything clean and readable, which is super important, especially if you share your charts or use them for analysis purposes. And that's really all there is to it. Adding a background image to your Tradingview chart is quick, easy, and gives your charts a much more personalized touch. If anything didn't work or you have specific questions, just let me know down in the comments. I always try to reply and help out. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow traders, and subscribe for more simple, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy trading.